So all of this started the other day when Carmen showed me this recipe and I was like, what the heck? And Carmen was like, that's the forbidden toast. And I was like, what the heck? She's like, it's by a Michelin star chef. And I was like, what the heck? And she was like, can we try it? I'm like, why not?
And lo and behold, we had all the ingredients at home already.
Yeah, so this thing, let's get into it. It's gonna be super weird. I think it's gonna taste really, really weird. Carmen probably thinks it's gonna taste good. She likes weird things.
Okay, fine. This mochi ice cream was my childhood. And, well, we still buy it regularly at Costco.
It's like at every convenience store in Asia. I didn't grow up there, but it's definitely at the Circle K, which I thought was okay.
It is okay.
Oh, sorry. Then it was vice versa. I thought it was okay, and it's actually Circle K. And like at 7-Eleven, anywhere you go, you can find that thing.
So after looking into this recipe a little further, it actually started a year ago. If you go on their website or their Instagram, they have some really weird stuff on there.
I'm only interested in the 2 recipes from the Michelin star chef, so let's do it.
Okay, so we start with melted butter on both sides of the bread.
Okay, melted butter on both sides.
It's kind of weird to put melted butter on both sides. Can't you just put butter on, regular butter on, and then pan fry it?
Hey,
we are going to pan fry it, right?
This is a Michelin star chef, yo.
Okay.
Why are we arguing with him? But yes, it'd probably easier if I just put it directly in there. All right, let's get this bad boy started up. Get that side down. Let's paint the other side. This bread's taking a lot of butter. I use like the entire bowl on this one thing.
So the basis for all the toast is butter, cheese, and mochi
This
on top.
stuff, the American sliced weird cheese.
That's what they have in Asia anyway, right?
Which is pretty much what we have in our fridge too. This is my childhood right here. This is Carmen's childhood, this is my childhood.
Ghetto?
Hey.
Okay, I won't say that. It's gonna take forever. The thing is not even on.
Mayo gas. There we go. We're on our way now. Okay, bread. Are you toasted?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Wait, we're toasting this bread twice.
Yes.
Why are we toasting it twice?
Hey, it's a Michelin star chef recipe. Stop questioning him.
So this toast is done. Like, look at this toast on here. Hot.
Smells so good, buttery.
All right, while that's going, let me do the second one. Let me put this one on there before I do the other one. You have to toast them both, right? They're both
Yep.
the same?
The base is always the same. It's always butter and cheese.
Kind of my 2 favorite things too.
Regardless of whether it's sweet or savory.
The ice cream part is weird. This would have definitely used a lot less butter if we just did it in the pan.
Maybe that's why it's Michelin star, because it's buttery.
Maybe. All right, so what's next?
Cheese?
Cheese. All right, let's get a slice of cheesy on there. My childhood right here.
This one is the apple
Applesauce.
flavor. No, don't put it in the middle.
Okay, not in the middle. Okay.
Because the mochi needs to go in the middle, so you put it around it.
But I couldn't put it I can't put the mochi on top of it? Okay.
I don't know, that's what it was. I'm just following instructions.
Okay, not in the middle.
Precision, Kevin.
That's the difference, I guess, between me and the Michelin star restaurant. This one is also ready.
Okay, so let's do the bacon first.
Okay. That is my homemade bacon. If you haven't followed us on Instagram yet, follow us on Instagram and you can see how I made that. Made it all homemade, all unnatural ingredients.
Unnatural?
Perfect. I like homemade bacon. Like, it smells so nice. The fridge smells like smoked meat all the time. And it doesn't curl. Like, this bacon just stays flat and straight and there's like no water that comes out of it.
The bacon smells good. The bread smells good.
We'll be eating soon.
I'm starving. Hope it's good.
It's weird.
How can it be bad though? Think about it. It's salty, it's sweet.
We're gonna find out. I think it's really weird. All right, I think that bacon is done. You said we need to cut it in half?
Well, you can take it out first. Because it needs to fit, basically half of it is bacon,
Okay.
half of it is egg, and the other half is mochi.
Since when in math are there 3 halves? Are you sure it's not like bacon, egg, and mochi?
Oh, that can work too.
Cut. It's cut. All
All
right.
right, now put the bacon on.
All right. Bacon going on.
Fry your egg.
Fry my egg. Okay.
Push it together. It looks like a giant Doritos. His egg wasn't very fried.
Okay.
Right? It's white. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Not like a crispy edge, you know, fried rice type of egg. Oh, it's so loud.
So that cooks. All right. Now we wait.
Remember the last time you bought a lid for your pan?
Shh. You don't need to know about it. You mean, was it this one?
No, this was an okay one. This is the second lid that I bought. The first lid that I bought, he's like, yeah, it looks like it fits our pan.
Oh, we did that for the crispy dumpling episode.
Yes.
Yeah, I bought that lid completely just for that crispy dumpling. It did not work out at all.
Basically, his eyes are always too big. But he just buys the biggest thing. And it just did not fit at all.
That's why I bought her.
Shut up. I carefully put it on one side.
One side? The
Like
egg
half of the thing.
I don't know how you can.
What the hell are you gonna fit the mochi on?
I think the mochi goes on top of the egg.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm very, very sure it was one side is egg and one side is mochi.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Okay, yeah, at least there's a space for the mochi now.
Okay, now we can open the mochi, right?
Dun dun dun. Dun. Ooh.
Okay, I don't like that thing. I don't like this pick. I always think this pick, it breaks the skin of the mochi. I just like to use my hand. I hate this pick.
Oh, so soft.
So this one is gonna go here?
Yep.
Or there? How about there?
There you go.
All right.
All right. Now put it in an oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Is that 400 degrees Fahrenheit?
Yep.
For about 5 minutes. They didn't give an actual measurement, but we're gonna put it in for 5 minutes. Shouldn't you put a tray underneath so it doesn't leak everywhere?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It looks like 2 eggs on toast.
Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Ah. Oh. Oh, this looks so good.
Look at this.
Ah. This is excitable. All right, which one should we go first?
This one.
All right, go.
No, this one.
This
is
one?
a breakfast. This is a dessert egg.
Okay, go.
Let's go for the dessert.
Okay, wait.
You go.
You want me to cut? Okay.
It's so weird. It looks like just another egg on here. It's gonna be weird.
All right, do it.
All right.
I'm
all right.
excited.
Ready? Through the ice cream.
Look at the foam.
Through the egg.
Open it up, baby. Oh.
It's really weird. All right, shall we dig in?
I don't know if I can keep it up.
Whoa,
It
whoa,
looks
whoa!
a
You're
little-
stealing other people's ice cream.
Oh, am I also stealing other people's bacon? Oh, okay, there you go. Ooh, look at this piece.
It's a good-looking piece.
Ooh, okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Dude. I can't, it just fell apart.
Wow. Wow. What the heck?
The chef, when he ate it, you're like, oh my! The bacon is very strong. It's a tad overpowering, but the thing is that the creaminess of the ice cream, it just tastes like a sweet
Wait.
whipped cream.
Soy sauce.
Oh, we're supposed to put soy sauce in the egg!
We forgot a step, guys.
But that's too much, man.
That's why
Just
it's
one
on a
drop.
spoon.
One drop. Okay,
What am I gonna do with the soy sauce?
drink it. Alright, whatever. You drank it, you dumbass?
Let's try it with soy sauce.
It's just better with soy sauce.
All right, let's do this. This one, I don't know. I think this will be good. I
It's
mean,
just
like
dessert, but
this is
the
like
cheese
it's just an apple pie, like a deconstructed apple pie if you think about it.
with cheese.
With cheese, yes. That cheese really makes a difference. I think I'm gonna put cheese on my apple pie from now on.
I also like the little stretchiness, the little bit of stretchiness of the mochi.
Let us know in the comment section down below if you're gonna try this recipe and if there's any other weird recipes that you've seen that you want us to test. It's pretty good.
You were so skeptical.
I don't know, I guess like the cheese threw me off, but I like cheese.
Okay.